Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review this case from UAG for your Galaxy S20 Ultra, but before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have a case for your Galaxy 20 Ultra. Try to say that 5 times again. I keep on calling it a Plus, I call it the S11. But in this video, I'm going to review this UAG Monarch series case. They sent it to me. I got this in carbon fiber. Look at that. The packaging is always good with them. But you definitely want to protect this beautiful device. You don't want to get scratches on the back. In this video, I'm going to go over how it fits, how does everything look, does everything line up, and then also see if you can wireless charge with it or not, and definitely see if that works too. You can pick up this case from Amazon. It comes in 3 different colors. You have black, you have carbon fiber, and then you have crimson. The carbon fiber and the crimson is $59, the black is $45.89. If you decide to get either one, I will have the links in the description. Look at that. If you want to pause, you can definitely pause that and read it. But that's enough about me talking. Let's get into this video. Again, nice presentation from UAG. Bam. I say bam a lot, by the way, if you're new to the channel. But let's see. Presentation looks great. I love UAG cases. I know some people are starting to hate on them, but I really do like these cases. Look at that. UAG branding. Let's check out this side. You have all the cutouts. Then on the right hand side, you have the power button and the volume rockers. Then you have that extra grip there. At the top, you have your microphone. Man, let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. Do you have lip action? Yes, you do. Look. Do you have camera protection in the back? Yes, you do. Look at that. You have a lot, too. Does everything line up? As you can tell, yes. At the top, you can see the microphone. Man, this is a nice case. Let's see how the buttons feel. Yeah, they're nice, too. Unlock the phone. The volume rockers work good. Easy to press. Man, I really like this case. Let's test out the fit now. The bottom is a little loose. The size, not so much. Let's see if we get any protection from the curves. Not so much either, but I love the grip though. Look at that. Actually looks really good. Alright, so let's make sure you can wireless charge with the case on it. A lot of people do like to wireless charge their phone and they don't want to take the case off. So here we go. As you can tell right there, you can wireless charge with the case on it. I didn't think we would have a problem. Now, if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, again, I will have the links in the description. Just look at it. It is a beautiful case. Man, I really love this case from UAG, the Monarch series. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the case in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.